In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $91 per hour by just watching videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How do you do it? We're about to find out. This is how to make money watching videos. Also, only half of the people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with the notifications bell ticked on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. So the first step is to play the video. Second step is to watch it for at least 60 seconds. Step 3 is to cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. Today I'm going to show you the single most effective website to make money watching YouTube videos. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world, and it's completely free to use. Now just before I show you how you can do this, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. In that way, I'll know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I'll be sharing special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple the amount of money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get into the video. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website zoombucks.com. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it's something you already do every day, and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. So we'll be focusing on the watching TV option. Now allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Advertisers want engagements for their surveys, products, and services. Step 2. They then recruit members willing to get paid for completing various actions. Then those members, people like me and you, would take surveys, complete offers, watch videos, and get paid with cash, or you can choose gift cards. It's just that easy. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to properly understand how this website works. The first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the home page and enter your email address and create a password, and just click sign up. Now you might also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Now once you log into your ZoomBucks account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $100 to $300, and you could be the next. These individuals are all earning money on ZoomBucks by watching videos, completing surveys, and doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of videos available here, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there is an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching videos. To get started, click watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you hover your cursor over them, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Lootably by clicking the Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, do-it-yourself, or random videos. On the right-hand side, you can just select watch videos. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. You'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed. As you can see right here, to do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click sign up. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click this one right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings to save data. I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible, while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. Now just before we go any further, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy into actually doing it, I would really appreciate it if you guys could tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with the notifications bell ticked on. And if we get 200 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic things just like this, in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. Now that you know how to make money watching videos on zoombucks.com, I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left-hand side of your ZoomBucks dashboard, you should see surveys, which you should click. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offer you simple surveys to complete. As you can see, each survey will pay you 85 cents, $1, $10, or $3 as shown here. Simply click on the company that offers you the most amount of money. After that, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account with the company of your choice and begin taking as many surveys as you like. And now, check out this video to discover the best 3 apps that pay you real money. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how to do it in this video right here. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on, so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.